Hello guys, welcome to this amazing session of Gyroscope. In this session, we are going to learn about plane of gyroscopic acceleration and direction of gyroscopic acceleration. Okay. In this session, we also see that if an aeroplane takes left turn or right turn, then nose or tail goes deep or down. During this session, we see entire things. Okay, so let's start some basics. First of all, I want to tell you about the planes. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, and this is the z-axis. This is xy plane, this is YZ plane, and this is ZX plane. All planes are mutually perpendicular to each other. Okay, so let's take an example. This is the example in which I took a rotor. This is the axis of rotor. This is the plane of rotation of the rotor, or we can say this is the plane of spin. Okay, if we see this plane of spin here, so this is the plane of spin. Plane of spin. Okay, then the direction of angular velocity will be perpendicular to the plane of spin. So this is the direction of angular velocity, that is omega vector. Okay, now we can clearly see here that this rotor is rotating about z-axis, that is towards u or perpendicular to the paper also. Okay, so let's say this is rotating about z-axis or axis that is perpendicular to the plane of paper. Okay, so about this axis, this is also rotating. So now I say this is the initial angular velocity vector. Okay, now final is omega vector plus d omega vector. Okay, so this is the plane of paper, means xy plane. This is called plane of precision. Okay, this is the plane of precision. Okay, now this plane will be plane of gyroscopic acceleration. But we don't know that gyroscopic acceleration is clockwise or anti-clockwise. We don't know about it. So I will tell you a trick, that is, this is the direction of omega vector, and this we can say this is y-axis. Okay, and this is the rotation of precisional motion. Okay, this is the precisional motion. So omega p vector will be inside the paper. Okay, inside the paper, that is, this is omega p vector in this negative z direction. Okay, so now align your finger in the direction of omega p vector and curl them towards omega vector. Now I align my finger in negative z direction like this. Now this is the omega vector. Now curl into the direction of omega. Curl into the direction of omega. Now thumb will give the direction of gyroscopic acceleration. That's it, alpha gyroscopic. Okay, this is alpha gyroscopic, means plane will be this and direction will be this. Now this is rotating like this. Okay, now I hope so that that will be clear to you, or very clear to you. Okay, now apply the same concept on this aircraft. This is the nose of the aircraft, this is the tail of the aircraft, and this is the rotor which is rotating anti-clockwise direction. And I clearly show you that these are the planes. So we can clearly see from here that this is the plane of spin. This is the plane of spin. Okay, this is the plane of spin. Now aircraft is taking left turn. Okay, like this. Use your right hand like this. Thumb goes inside. Thumb goes perpendicular to the paper or towards you. And if we see plane of precision, this is the plane of precision. And perpendicular to this plane, direction of omega p vector, that is into the bi-direction, and perpendicular to the plane of rotation of the rotor. This is the direction of omega vector. This is the direction of omega vector. Okay, now apply the simple trick that I discussed earlier, that is align your finger into the direction of omega p and curl towards omega vector. Now thumb goes inside the plane of paper, that is into the negative z direction. This is the direction of alpha gyroscopic. Okay, now if I show you, this is the plane of paper, or we can say this plane. So this is rotating like this, this is rotating like this, and direction of gyroscopic acceleration inside the plane of paper. Okay, this is called active gyroscopic couple. That will act on the air by the aircraft. Couple acting onto the air by the aircraft. With the help of Newton's third law, there will be a reactive gyroscopic couple that will be in this sense. Okay, reactive gyroscopic couple, what is this? This is the couple which is acting on the aircraft by the air. Okay, so if I show this here, this is the active gyroscopic couple and this is the reactive gyroscopic couple. So draw reactive gyroscopic couple here like this. Put this reactive gyroscopic couple onto this aeroplane. So this reactive gyroscopic couple will trying to lift the nose up and tail will go down. Okay, nose will go up and tail will go down. Okay, so this is very simple concept. I hope so that you enjoy this session. Okay, for more detail you will have to stay connected with us. Okay, if you want to understand this topic into more detail, or other topics of strength of material and theory of machine and fluid mechanics, etc., in more detail, you will have to stay connected with us. Okay, so for now, bye. I hope so you will enjoy all these topics which are providing by the calm classes. Okay, so press the like button and subscribe this channel. Okay, bye.